Hey guys, it's me again, and today I am here to tell you how I edit my YouTube thumbnail using my cell phone. And if you guys want to know how, just stick around and watch the whole video. So, I found an app that's actually free and where I can edit most of my inserts, my layouts, my thumbnails, everything basically. We're just gonna head on to the video. So I'm gonna put the video here, I think. And so, okay. So the only thing that you need are PixArt and SparkPost. Both are actually free. And so we're gonna check out SparkPost. So you can see there's a lot of things that you can actually do here. Then they also have free images that you can use. And here are some of the things that I did. The very first one that I did was the YouTube banner, and also the I Met Ruru thumbnail. That was my first vlog thumbnail. It actually turned out pretty good. So yeah, you can see all the stuff that you've actually seen on my videos. So there's that, and then here this is my Hey Vlog intro. It actually moves. It's pretty amazing actually. See, it moves, and then I also do, well, basically everything. So now we're gonna go on to PixArt. You're just gonna click that, and then and then once you open it, ta-da, there you go. So you're just gonna click the plus button, and then you're gonna choose from your pictures. So I chose the one where I am wearing the hat, and it looks a bit like it's candid, but it's not. It's just really too hot, and I'm posing according to what I'm feeling at the moment. So you're gonna click the cutout, and then you're gonna wait for it to load, and then you're gonna click the icon where it looks like a person, like me. It's gonna take a while, because my phone is a bit lag at the moment, so yeah. So there you go. So it's red, yes, because that's the parts where you want to keep. So it's gonna look as if it's like a PNG file. So right now I am just trying to clean it. I don't know. I'm just trying to make it as precise as I can, because I want it to look a bit presentable. Although, you know, when you're lazy, yeah, this tutorial is actually for lazy people, because, you know, I am the laziest person here on planet Earth, and I think I deserve an award for that. As you can see, I'm still doing the cleaning thing. So yeah, see, it's pretty easy. And then you're done, and then you're just gonna click on the save button, yeah, and then once that's done, see, it looks like a PNG file, and then you're gonna go to the button beside the crown, the arrow pointing towards your left or right, I don't know which is which, and then you're just gonna click save. See, it's pretty easy. I mean, less than 5 minutes, you're done with the PNG thingy. And then you're gonna go back to SparkPost again. So this is where it gets a bit, you know, confusing. Now you're gonna click on the add button, the blue button. There you go. And then, see, you get free images, and you won't get called out for that. And it's free, and it's also high definition. So right now I just search YouTube, because I can't think of anything else other than YouTube. And then right here, I'm just gonna pick the one where there's a camera, because it looks a bit techy and we're talking about technical stuff. So right now you can see there's a lot of options where, like, you can choose if you want it for your Twitter, your Snapchat, but we're gonna stick to YouTube thumbnail. But there's quite a lot of stuff in there, and you can experiment if you want to, but I don't have other apps. I only have Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and Twitter. That's it. Okay, now you're done. So you can click the Adobe Spark logo, and then you can remove it actually, or you can add your own logo if you have, but you have to upgrade, or you can just add the PNG file. So there, you're gonna see the remove logo on this project. And then I'm just gonna move the text on the side because we don't need that. So right now I'm gonna click the add icon and go to photo. I have a cheat here. Oh shoot, I can't move it. Okay, now I'm just choosing. Oh, oops. So now I am just choosing the photo that I want. I don't know what happened. Okay, so we're just gonna make myself a bit bigger because I look tiny in this photo. You can pinch it if you want, but I decided to make it harder for myself, so I am trying to find the edges right here and just drag it. Yeah, I'm a very complicated person, if you don't know that already. So there you go. I am done with myself, and now I'm just gonna type how I edit my YouTube thumbnail. Yes. And then once you're done, just click on the check icon, and then you can make it as big as you want, as small as you want, but of course it's a thumbnail photo. You want the text to be bigger so that people can read it easily. So there you go. I'm just changing the color right here. You have a lot of choices actually, but you can't like specifically pick the color that you want. There's like preset colors, and then you can also change the font. It's actually, they actually have pretty nice fonts. It's actually pretty like new fonts where it's YouTube friendly, I guess. I don't know how I'm gonna say that, but yeah, most of their fonts you can use it on your YouTube thumbnail, so I find that pretty helpful. But I also think that you can add more fonts, but you have to download them. I just don't know how, and I'm too lazy to figure out how to do that. So yeah, there's also the effect. I only use this if like I want my text to stand out more, just like here. Well, not that, but you know, I want it to stand out more. Yeah, because you can like make the background text a little bit opaque. Yeah, did I use that term right? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure some of you will just skip this video and not know what I'm talking about. So yeah, okay. So here you can also add shape to it. In this one, I actually use this a lot on my YouTube layout or YouTube inserts. I don't know how you call that, but basically my logo for Instagram, I get it from here. See, there it is. So, but you know, I mostly never use anything other than that, and this one, the stripe thingy. I really don't know how I'm gonna call these things. I think I did. So you can see that it looks a bit more, I don't know, it looks a little nicer, but you know, I mean, it could do a lot better. I just don't know how. I'm what? I told you I am lazy, so yeah. And also the reason why I'm holding this earphone is because I don't have a mic and I'm speaking in a very very low voice, so if I look a bit stupid, I'm sorry. So there you go. You can also edit the spacing of the letter. You can make it as separate as you want or as closer as you want if you're a bit clingy to your letters, and you can also make the lines be far from each other or closer to each other. The order, I don't know what the use of that is, but I don't use that. So now we're gonna add icons, my favorite. I also use this when I'm creating my Insta story highlights. Yeah. Okay, so now I just typed in girl because I don't know what else to type. See, and I'm gonna get those stilettos and just put it there so that it doesn't look a bit empty. I mean, the purpose of the background is really just to be covered. Yeah, because I just realized it now, but yeah, I should have opted for like a white or yellow background because it beats the purpose of having a camera at the back and a laptop at the back if nobody can see it, really. So I don't know what's up with this icon, but it won't show up. I think my internet is a bit too slow. Actually, my internet is really slow. So I guess that's why it won't load, but you know, I still liked it anyway. And if I guess my friends will ask what the icon means, I'm just gonna say it's stilettos featuring me. That's why I picked a girl. I don't know. Oh, you can also change the colors of the icons. You can change the size of it, the opacity. Yeah. And also you can move the text if you want, but I'm gonna make another video for that. Wow. My accent was wow. Anyways, I'm gonna make another video for that, and that's gonna be called how I edit my YouTube intro. See, I'm getting good at this YouTube thingy. So there you go. I think that's the end of it. See how easy it is to make a thumbnail using your phone. And if you guys have any other questions beside, you know, this, or if you want any other tutorials that you see on my YouTube or my Instagram, I am happy to make a video for you guys. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and please like and subscribe my video, and don't forget I do upload videos every Wednesday morning. And if you guys wanna be updated or whatever, please click on the ting button. And yeah, see you guys on my next video, and have a great day. Bye.